I'm gonna do a slow cooker brisket. I'm gonna do it at 7 o'clock. Alright, 11 spices and herbs. No, not really. Okay, I'm just gonna rub this in everywhere. The house is trashed. Okay, so the lounge is done. He's asleep. Now it's time to tackle the kitchen. When he's finished having his nap, he like wakes up and kicks his blanket off. Don't you chicken monkey! Don't you chicken monkey! Yes you do! Okay, so since everybody is out of the house, I decided to do a kitchen declutter. This draw's pretty good actually. God, I can't even get it open. Feast your eyes on our utensil drawer. Okay, well, here goes nothing.
Polo is exhausted because man is the only Polo. Gonna take this and this and give you
the after. So this is all the stuff that I managed to find that I don't really use or have multiples of, so I'm gonna give them away. It's time to do this. Dun, dun, dun. So I got rid of this stuff, this mat. These actually can go back. The oven bag, this ice cube, and a couple of other things. Now the cupboard looks like this. Whew. Okay, on to the next. Okay, so this is my container cupboard. It's actually pretty good, so I think I'm gonna leave it alone. This is like, the top is like glass and ceramic and stuff, and then the bottom is like our plastic containers. And a limited edition Nutella jar, which can go in the corner. And then some Christmas stuff, which can go with the other Christmas stuff. So that's that one good. Okay, this is my pots drawer. I bought one of these from Kohl's, and it's gonna save me buying these. And now we're gonna move on to the cups. Okay, here's what's left. I put the coffee mugs up there. I like those and I don't know where else to get them. And then these are the cups, and there's some in the wash. And this is all the shit that came out of there that I am going to donate or give away. It's my spice cabinet. I could probably get rid of those oils up there actually. Now I've got sugar and spices and everything nice. Oh my god! I have been dreading this, but let's do it. I cannot believe how much shit came out of this cupboard. So from all that stuff, I'm giving away these 3 things. A couple of drink bottles in the back there. I'm not sure if this works, so I'm gonna test it out a bit later. And this is all the trash that is expired or is going to expire in the next month that I didn't really use. So that's a bit sad. Honestly, we just keep our medicine in the fridge here. Cupboard here. You okay, buddy? If I open the cupboard up? I don't really have a lot to declutter in here, and I know that, so I'm just gonna quickly have a look. No, nothing that I really want to give away. Okay. Well, that's it then. And this is the last cupboard. So I'm gonna go through that and just check stuff out. And okay, so this is the after. Oh, holy shit, I did it. I did all the cupboards in the kitchen, apart from the pantry. Ooh. Got it back to sleep. Meanwhile, in a land far, far away. Shit, I forgot to show you these two bottles. So this just has like Iris's snacks in it. It has a tray. Like 3 different trays. Actually, I'm gonna get rid of this one. And then my trusty pizza tray for brunch. Cool. Whew, we're nearly there. This is the last area to clean. I'm not gonna declutter today. I'm just doing the kitchen today, so here we go. All done, son. Oh, yes. It's kicking me. Hey, where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Oh my gosh! Good boy! I got bored, so I think I'm gonna make the macaroni now. Oop, I see a bubble. She's boiling. I'm so excited. Okay, we've got another nap time. Ooh, baby. Time to take out the brisket. It is 5:30. Oh yeah! Meow.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Am I seriously gonna eat this over brisket though? Let's have a look. Oh. Hola, ¿cómo está? What are they, quarter pounders on the bottom there? Chew. Stop. Stop! If it's pink, it's wrong. Ooh, I think that's good. Ooh!
You eat it with his knife, don't he? Not his fork.
Please don't.
You fucking cut myself, I think.
What's it like? Is it vinegary?
You'll be super proud of that. It's tasty, son. Not too spicy either.
Yum, bitches! Georgia.